Phrasal verb power, mastering single word replacements. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore a vital topic in English language learning: replacing phrasal verbs with single word verbs. This skill can enhance the fluency and sophistication of your English communication. Let's dive in and unlock the power of this language skill. Phrasal verbs are common in English. They consist of a verb and one or more prepositions or adverbs, like turn off, look up, or run out. While they add variety and informality to your language, using single word verbs can make your writing more formal and concise. Understanding which single word verbs replace phrasal verbs can be tricky. Here's a simple method. 1. Identify the phrasal verb. Recognize the phrasal verb in the sentence. For instance, turn off, in the sentence, please turn off the light. 2. Find an equivalent single word verb. Look for a single word verb with a similar meaning. In this case, turn off can be replaced with extinguish. 3. Substitute the phrasal verb with a single word verb. Replace the phrasal verb in the sentence. The sentence now reads, please extinguish the light. Remember, context is key. The single word replacement should fit into the context seamlessly. To truly master this skill, you need practice. Start with simple sentences, gradually moving to more complex structures. For example, phrasal verb. She looked up the recipe online. Single word verb. She researched the recipe online. Phrasal verb. I ran out of sugar. Single word verb. I exhausted my supply of sugar. Now, let's take this a step further with written assignments. Write a short paragraph or story using phrasal verbs, then try to rewrite the same using single word verbs. This practice not only improves your understanding but also allows you to apply what you've learned in a practical context. For instance, original. She turned up at my house unexpectedly. She was looking for some advice. Revised. She arrived at my house unexpectedly. She was seeking some advice. That's it for today, folks. Replacing phrasal verbs with single word verbs can elevate your English language proficiency. So, practice regularly and apply these techniques in your written assignments. I hope this video has been helpful, and remember, with consistent effort, you can become a master at English. Until next time, happy learning!